All right, this screencast is going to show you how to link more than one video in a cell in Google Sheets. This is brand new functionality in Google Sheets. Before, you could only put one video in a cell. Now you can put multiple videos in a cell. Okay. So when you're working on your physical activity journals, if you can provide links in there for me, that would be great. Links straight to videos. Okay. And it should be pretty easy for you to do too. Okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this example. All right, starting with Monday. You're going to see here Monday. All right, I say that I did a warm up video and then a flexibility video. All right, so that indicates that I did two different videos on Monday. And over here it says, where did you get your workout from? Okay, so I pulled both of these workouts from YouTube. So I followed two YouTube videos. So, what it would help before you do this is to get you the YouTube videos that you used up on your tab. So it's very easy to copy and paste them. Okay. So, back over here into the physical activity journal, you're going to notice over here, I put warm up video and flexibility video. Okay. So, what I want to do first is I want to be able to provide a link to the warm up video. Okay, so right over here, what you're going to do is you're going to highlight warm up video, and then you're going to go over and hit the dots, and you're going to find this insert link button. Okay, and then what you're going to do, you're going to hit it. Okay, you're going to go over to your warm up video, you're going to copy this. Okay, Command C, you're going to copy that. You're going to go back here. Okay, oops, you have to do this, I guess. You're going to highlight it, go here, and you are going to paste it in. Okay, now you're going to notice that the warm-up video is highlighted, okay, in the cell. Now you have a second video, the flexibility video. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the flexibility video. I am going to Command C, so I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go back over to, I'm going to highlight the flexibility video portion in the cell. All right, I'm going to hit the insert link button, and then right here I am going to do Command V or paste, and I'm going to hit apply. Now there is a link to both, and you'll notice when I hover my mouse into that cell, there are the two videos that you followed. Okay, now over here you said that you did an agility workout in Garage. Okay, or I said that. What I want to do is show you the evidence that I did this to two different videos. So what I did, okay, here is where my videos are for my agility ladder. Okay, so here's the first one, side to sides. I'm going to go to share, all right, and I am going to get the link, which is right here. I'm going to get the link. I'm going to copy the link, all right. I'm going to go back here, and I am going to highlight Agility Ladder 1 because that's the first exercise that I did. Okay, I'm going to go to link, and I am going to insert the link by pasting it in. All right, there's evidence. That's video evidence number 1. And then I wanted to provide a little bit more evidence to make it clear that I did this. Okay, so now what I do, you go to another one. Okay, you're going to hit share. All right, and you want to make sure that you hit the copy button. Okay, and then you're going to go back. You are now going to go back into that cell. You're going to highlight Agility Ladder 2. Okay, and you are going to hit insert link, and then you put the link in and you hit apply. Okay, and now if you look here, all right, if I hover over here, there are the two videos that I can click on and watch for evidence. So here were two YouTube videos that you linked, and here were two of your own videos from your Google Drive. All right, so that is how you link more than one video into a cell in Google Sheets.